Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best sugar commodity Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Sugar is the common name for a sweet-tasting, soluble carbohydrate, most generally used in food products and production. Table sugar, granulated sugar, or regular sugar is in reference to sucrose, also called a double sugar or biose, composed of glucose and fructose. Sugar can be traded in several ways, using futures, options, ETFs, shares of sugar companies, or CFDs. The top sugar-producing countries include Brazil, Australia, and Russia. Finding a list of some of the best sugar commodity Forex brokers who facilitate the trading of this commodity can be a difficult process, especially when searching for a reliable, safe, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best sugar commodity Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include more than 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread bidding, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and also features their very own mobile applications known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience with Avatrade. At number 4 on our list is FX Primus. FX Primus is an online broker founded in 2009, offering Forex trading, social trading, and is a global broker with a head office located in Cyprus. Regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission and the Markets in Financial Instruments Directive. Used by over 10,000 traders, FX Primus offers over 125 different instruments to trade, including over 43 currency pairs, and specializes in Forex, metals, energies, equities, cryptocurrencies, indices, and futures. Available platforms are provided on MetaTrader 4, which is supported on their web-based browser application, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Demo, Standard, VIP Variable, and ECN Premium accounts, with access to a wide range of advanced trading tools, multilingual customer support, SMS alerts, daily market outlooks, one-on-one consultations, and more. FX Primus also provides their very own educational center, which delves into weekly market analytics, general market commentary from expert guests, seminars, webinars, daily market news, trading calculators, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional trading education with FX Primus. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have Easy Markets. Easy Markets is an online fully regulated financial broker, which is recommended for beginner traders, is regulated by the SEC in Cyprus, the ASIC in Australia, and offers beginners enhanced risk management tools, fixed spreads on all Forex pairs, all on an easy-to-use Forex trading platform. Easy Markets specializes in trading through Forex, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, precious metals, and indices. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and the Easy Markets web platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on standard, VIP, and premium accounts with fixed spreads, lower minimum deposits, no commissions, over-the-phone customer support, a variety of trading safety and insight features, and more. Easy Markets also provides their very own educational academy, which features educational trading courses, their very own educational video series, as well as a variety of ebooks that cover topics such as technical analysis, trading psychology, guides in platform functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education with Easy Markets. At number 2 on our list is Trading 212. Trading 212 is an online financial broker founded in 2006 and offers a wide range of market instruments to trade. Trading 212 is a global broker that is based in the United Kingdom and specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices. Regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Financial Supervision Commission, Trading 212 is the UK's #1 trading and investment platform and is home to over 1 million traders. Their accounts feature demo, CFD, investing, and ISA accounts with lower minimum deposits, no commission charges, guaranteed stop losses, negative balance protection, a variety of base currency options, and more. Platforms are available on Trading 212's web and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Trading 212 also provides their very own educational center, which features a variety of helpful educational videos, written educational content, news and analytics panels, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Trading 212. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best sugar commodity Forex brokers, we have RoboForex. RoboForex Group was founded in 2009, with its headquarters located in Cyprus. With over 800,000 active traders, 12,000 market instruments, and 8 different asset types, RoboForex offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, ETFs, commodities, metals, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, R and C Trader platforms, as well as RoboForex's terminals for mobile traders, which are supported on iOS, Android and Windows operating systems. Provided accounts are featured on Prime, ECN, RTrader, ProCent and Pro Standard accounts, with up to 36 currency pairs, a variety of tradable market instruments, lower minimum deposits, and more. With fixed spread accounts available on Fixed Cent, Fixed Standard, ProCent and Pro Standard accounts. RoboForex also provides their very own educational panels, which features Forex analysis and forecasts, beginner introductions to getting started with trading, a range of video tutorials, trading tools, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your education with RoboForex. And those are some of the top 5 best sugar commodity Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.